Welcome back to Ultimate DIY Disasters, where we turn your house into, well, something.
Today we're tackling the ultimate appliance upgrade.
Now people might think about upgrading their refrigerator.
Small thinking. We're going for maximum domestic efficiency.
The U-Ultimate in laundry technology.
Replacing that ancient broken washing machine with a state-of-the-art European front loader.
These shelves are absolutely gorgeous. Such fine craftsmanship. I've got it. These shelves are far too beautiful to damage. We'll just dismantle the house around them instead.
Excellent progress. Look how much more space we're creating. The open concept design is really coming together. Such amazing natural ventilation.
Perfect controlled demolition.
Perfect. The washing machine is completely free, and look, not a scratch on those beautiful shelves.
Mission accomplished. Don't forget to subscribe.